Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Ever since March 23rd, 2020, when we saw the biggest intraday fall, the stock market has been more or less on the way up. We saw a big April movement in April and also a reasonably big movement in May. And the market has been on the way up. And there's been a lot of speculation and talk about this. Why is the market going up, although there's so much problems in the economy? uh, this is not a true rally. It will fall down. It's going to go down to lower and lower and levels and so on. And then today the people are talking already of a crash of 1%. And so this is see, I told you it's going to fall, and it's going to fall from now on. See, to be honest, the stock market is governed by a mob, and a mob doesn't really sit and think logically and so on. It just, I mean, probably it's hoping that everything will be all right. The lockdown is more or less over, and the economy will be back in track and so on. So it's investing on the basis of potential future gains, whatever the reason is. The point is that as a long term investor in equity, we don't really need to know the reasons for what the reasons why the market is falling, why the market is moving up. We just don't need the reason, and we don't need to sit and worry about what every Tom, Dick, and Harry says about false rally, true rally. I don't know what that even means. Then somebody will say falling knife, somebody will say dead cat bounce. All this nonsense that happens on social media is just complete garbage, and it's utterly unhealthy to your portfolio. Please recognize, since February 2018, we have had a very good chance to invest in a falling market, and the COVID crash has only made it even better. We have an even better opportunity to invest. People are saying, should I stop my SIP now? Should I pull out money and invest back in it when it falls lower? This is just idiotic, to say the very least. uh, you just don't care about all that, in my opinion. That's what I would do as an investor. I don't know what the market is doing. I don't know why the market is doing what it's doing. I just don't know, and I don't care. If you are a young earner, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to accumulate stocks, accumulate mutual fund units at reasonably low levels. Who cares the market is moving every day or not? It doesn't matter. It's still well below its peak. Even the January 30th value, it is not yet reached, and it was much higher than that before, almost 2 years ago. So please, I implore you, don't waste your time speculating. Don't stop your systematic investing. Whether you do it via SIP or you do it manually, don't stop your systematic investing. Don't deviate and remove equity when your asset allocation is book profits from equity, or remove equity, whatever you want to call it. Reduce your equity allocation when it's already low. This is a great time to invest. You just need to wait, be patient. At least for the short time, you should be a short term, you should be patient. I agree, you should have a plan, you should have an asset allocation, everything is fine. But then, if you are going to react to every rumor, every speculation, every media article that comes your way, you can never build wealth. You Equity returns over the past 30-40 years for India has come only because of a few extraordinarily huge years. For example, just before the Sensex crashed because of the Harshad Mehta scam, I think the annual return for that year was about 275% or so, if memory serves me right. Then there were a few very good years in between 2002 to 2008, and one or two good years after 2014, I think. Maybe before 2014 to 17, a couple of years. That's all. Those are the few years. All those years, if you remove those few good returns, then the stock market return would be pretty much like a savings bank account. So you have to be patient and wait, and have enough units accumulated, so that when that one good return, it doesn't have to be 100% return or 80% return, even 25% return with enough money accumulated will change your life. That's what it did to mine. Please be patient. You have to be patient. You have to push through all these hard times. The problem is to you're getting buried in information and worried whether what you're doing is right or wrong. There's no, I mean, that kind of attitude can never get to anything anywhere in life. Please, please, please keep investing with a plan, but keep investing through these times and accumulate units when the market is reasonably down. Thank you. Bye bye.